Nice. Nice. Something I never seen before. Okay. All right. Very nice. I think this is our. Yeah, I'm not sure, but the comment correct me if I'm wrong. I'm trying to.
Hi guys,
welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Okay guys, today's video guys, it's obvious.
It's a mail call. Not one, not two, 3 mail call.
Yeah, 3 guys. Okay, we're just doing this mail call today guys. Okay, on our last mail call we received aloha.
Yes.
Let me pick this one. The holo.
Yes.
That's what we received from Aloha the last time. Those are the stickers we received. And there's Franklin dollars, half dollar
from Irish
gold stacker guys. Okay. All right guys, these are the ones we received the last time on our mail call guys.
And we found another ones.
Guys. I don't know these ones how they made it so quick. Yeah, we weren't expecting them. We were still waiting for like 3 months, 4 months for them to arrive, because the norm, I think it's 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah. Okay, let's get to it guys. I'll just start with whichever. Okay, this one wanted to start. It was left behind. We'll start with this one. Okay guys.
Let's see.
And you won't be surprised. I think I see something smelling. It says smell you later. We're gonna smell you now, not later. We will smell you now. That's what it says. Okay. All right.
Let's
see. If you know this nose.
the big
this
nose.
This big nose, guys.
My nose is big.
Yes. This is pink gloves, guys. Okay.
Yes,
it came with the letter, guys. Okay. It goes a Fanatic family.
That's us.
That is us. Yes. You both work very well together.
No.
Thank you. Hey, know that. Just a joke, guys. Thank you. It's a perfect match. One is always complimenting the other. Wonderful videos, and we are always happy to watch every time you post a new video. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of this community. It's a wonderful community.
It's a pleasure.
We are blessed to be in this community, guys.
It's an honor.
It's an honor, really, seriously. From Little Miss Pink Gloves, guys. Plus this nose. Yes, guys. Okay. Okay, nose-matic, guys. Everybody knows.
Great channel.
This little one.
Entertaining channel.
It's an entertaining channel, guys. Everybody knows her. The nose and the hola. Yeah, guys. These are very nice stickers, guys. You always see them, but when you have it in your hand, you'll be able to tell a different story. You'll see other things. You know, must have in order to tell the true story about the sticker, about the coin.
They're very beautiful.
They're very beautiful, guys.
The mixed colors on it.
The mixed colors, guys. Yeah. All right. These are very nice channel as well, guys. Same as Aloha Sticker. Very nice channel, guys.
That's
okay.
True. That's true.
Very entertaining channel, guys. Okay. Knows, guys, this little one, guys, you wish your little one was like her. The way she explains the coin, you'll be blown away with confidence. Hey, I was shocked when I first saw her first video. I said, I know, man, this is a fluke. Let me look another one. When I saw another one, same thing. And then I was like, I know. She's talented.
That's true.
Yes, guys, we wish
she's gonna be a star.
She will be a star, guys, especially when she knows about the staking, which is a good step towards the journey, guys, towards your goals. It's a good step, guys, to take. All right. Very nice channel, guys. Must go watch.
leave the link in the description.
Yes, guys, we'll leave a link to the description below, guys. The nose.
Yes.
Let me dig it a little bit. Okay, all right, guys, let's go to the next letter, guys.
Yes.
Okay, we'll go to the big one. So let me start with the smaller ones. I'll end with the big one.
The big one.
Big one, smaller one, big one.
Oh,
big
just
one.
take one.
Whichever. Okay, all right. Big one. There is a big one. Okay, I'll put it there. See anything?
There's nothing inside.
Okay, that's all right. You know this channel, guys, I'm sure. Oh, there's something. There's something. What we seen, we forgot there was something. We opened these letters. Let me put the something aside.
You thought there's letters
Yes,
only now.
Yeah, we open these ones, guys. Okay, I'll start with the stick. Okay, beautiful sticker, guys. Silver Oceans.
Great channel.
Yes, guys, and that motto. Stack as wide as the ocean. That's a motto, guys.
It's interesting.
It really always drives us.
Yes.
It always drives us. Stack as wide as the ocean.
It's really deep.
I don't know how you're gonna reach the ocean size, but I think you're gonna stack forever.
That's
You just stack forever.
Forever.
And that is what we plan to do. Stack forever.
Yes.
Yes, stack as wide as the ocean.
Yes. Let's see the letter.
Okay, let's see the letter now, guys. Okay, Silver Ocean, guys. Oh, it's a pure box.
You see, it was written on February, so it was very quick.
Yes, there is a date, even a date. Yes, it even, yes, exactly what I was saying earlier on, February.
Yes.
And now it's
early April.
April, and already it's here. Surprise. I don't know how that happened.
And no ones took.
For ages. Let's go to the letter, guys.
Yes.
You two are awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, you forgot. Forgot that. Okay. I love the what?
So,
The jewel commentary in your videos. Okay. That's us, okay? Your unboxing videos are fun to watch, and you two make it very enjoyable. Thank you.
We're trying.
We are really trying. You are trying. Okay. I only have a couple numbered channel sticker left. Okay, so have the so here's one for you. Okay.
Yes.
Best regards.
Ocean.
The fishes.
In the ocean.
In the ocean. In the silver.
Yes.
In the ocean.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
My friend, inspiring. I really like that. And your motto, as we mentioned,
it's inspiring.
It's really inspiring us. It drives us every time, guys. As I always leave it in my comments onto your videos, stack as wide as the ocean, because it always drives me. So that's why I always end with that quote at the end of your videos whenever I comment. It really motivates us a lot. Yes, guys, a very nice channel, Silver Oceans, guys. Please
we don't
go
have
watch.
Limit on our stack.
Yes, we don't have a limit. As you already seen, stack as wide as the ocean, so you'll see different things there in the channel. So there's be variety.
Yes.
Okay, guys, please go watch. We'll leave a link on the description below.
Let's see. Yeah, there's something you're missing.
Why I keep on forgetting? Hey, Ocean, thank you for this.
Yes.
Thank you. Let me just show it for this. Thank you for this. Let me take it out, guys. Take it out. Let's see. Let's see. Luckily, it's not stuck into a letter, so I will try and be as quick as possible. Nice. Nice. Something I never seen before. I don't know whether I'll be able to tell which one is this one. Nice. Nice.
This is very nice.
Okay.
Let's see.
We'll start with this one, guys. I don't know which one is this one. Let me just zoom for you so we'll see it properly. Very nice. He sent us gold, guys. He sent us gold. I'm joking.
It's copper.
It's copper, guys. Very I like it. It's beautiful. Very nice. 1963.
I don't know where it's from.
I do not know.
It's
this
my
coin.
first time seeing it.
Seeing it. Oh, it's gonna fit well.
We're gonna research about it.
We'll do a research, guys. If you know about this coin,
can
guys,
leave the comment.
On the comment, please. Let's flood the comments, guys. Let's flood the comments, okay? This is
with the language
upside down. Wait a minute. When it flips like this, it's always US. More or less, it's always US. When it flips like this, I'm not sure, but the coin flip in this manner.
I think it's Mexico. This one.
Mexico.
I'm guessing. Maybe I'm guessing right.
We'll see.
Yeah, we're gonna see when we research it.
This coin is blessed. There is a cross there. It has a cross. It is blessed. Nice, very nice coin. We really like it. Silver Oceans.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. There is another one, not one, guys. There's two. There's two. Let me try and show this one as well.
This one is so small.
It's tiny little one.
Beautiful.
It's little Miss Pink Gloves. Very nice coin, guys. Beautiful. And this one as well. We don't know much.
American one.
We don't know much about it, guys, as well.
We're gonna find out.
We're really gonna do some research on it.
It's more like
find out about it. Very nice coin, guys, and the condition. Oh,
it's nice.
Oh, condition.
1972.
It is beautiful. 1972. If you know it, guys, let us know in the comment below.
Costa Rica.
Okay. Costa Rica.
Please.
Costa Rica. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You made our day.
Thank you so much. You really made our day. Really appreciate it, guys. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's just go on.
Let's see the next one.
The next letter. Let's just see the next letter. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. All right. I think you know this guy. You know him?
Oh, the gopher.
The gopher. Hey.
Silver gopher.
Finally, we see the treasure. The treasure that is full over there. It's here. It made it. Yeah, with those two teeth. And the big guy that's watching you. It says, I'm watching you. Hey, I'm watching my treasure. Don't you dare. Let's see what we have here, guys. Okay.
And the beautiful sticker.
Beautiful sticker. Let's start with the stickers, guys. Okay. It's beautiful stickers, guys.
I can't believe we're gonna have a nice decoration now. Sticker.
Hey, it's not gonna be done as it was before.
Yes.
It's gonna have some varara, the color, guys.
Yes. Okay. We love colors.
We love color. Yes. Okay, beautiful sticker, guys. Okay. And the ground, guys. Silver gopher, guys. Everybody knows.
A great channel also.
Guys.
Entertaining.
Yes, very entertaining, guys. If you don't know him, please, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Go check it out.
Check it and subscribe.
Subscribe, like, and flood YouTube with comments on everyone.
Yes.
Flood the comment section with comments, guys, and likes. Oh, there's something there. It starts with the letter. Okay. All right. Very nice. I love this style. I like it. Yes. Okay. Hey guys, I'm really glad to be able to do this sticker trade. Okay. Yes. You are definitely official now.
You can see on the table.
That was his words. We are official now. You can see stickers.
On the table.
We are really are official now. Okay, okay. That you have stickers. Oh yes. Hey,
it's on that way.
Yeah. I've been enjoying your content. Keep up the good work. I throw in a couple of 90s silver dimes for you. There. Hey. We'll see just now. Just a little something to add onto the sticker, guys. Take care.
Yes.
To the stack.
Yes.
Take care. Silver.
Go
for. Nice. Let's try and take these ones out, guys, so we can see these dimes, guys. They look amazing.
Don't break.
I will not break, guys. I will really not break. I will try and take it out carefully, guys. Okay. While we're still taking it out, we can see this Giga. Oh, it's out. Okay, let's see the first dime, guys.
Let's see
the first
beautiful
dime. I think let's just zoom for you guys so you see it properly. Let's just zoom for you. Okay. All right, very nice. I think this is our second. I think we have a dime on our stack.
Yes,
we were so excited. We showed the dime. We were so excited to have.
We didn't even know we had it.
One coin, guys, and I know how it flips. Did it once.
1964.
Getting used to it. 1964, guys.
Yes.
Okay, in God we trust. Amen.
Yes.
Yes, guys. Okay. Okay. The
beautiful.
God, guys. The God, Jesus, guys. Okay. All right. Okay. Nice time. Thank you, Silver Gopher.
Yes.
The second one.
See.
I never seen this one. But it's so nice. And the condition on these dimes, they're amazing. They are really amazing. Let me put it properly, guys, so it sits properly.
They're very nice.
We don't have this one.
We don't have
it was
this
the other one.
Yeah, we got the other one.
And there's the D. Denver. Yeah, I'm not sure, but the comment correct me if I'm wrong. I'm trying to blend in. I'm trying to blend in to know these things, guys.
This one, it's so old, but the condition
it's awesome, guys. The condition, 1941, very nice, guys.
It's very nice. Yes.
No, very nice. Thank you, Silver Gopher.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate to everyone with the stickers, guys.
It means a lot.
This means a lot, guys.
To see our table like this
with stickers flying. These are bullions, guys. These are kangaroos.
Still working on the troop.
Still trying to complete that one. These are the Canada. Yes, guys. Okay. All right, guys. I think today's video was just about that. Okay. Please leave a like
and subscribe.
Yeah. Okay. On our channel below, guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.